Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to TEKNIVIX IT support course. So, many a time you might be wondering what is IT support. You might have heard this word IT support and IT service desk and the technical support a lot of time. But you're thinking what exactly it is and how they do really work. So, have you ever had a day where your laptop just refused to work? Your email didn't open, you were not able to print anything with the printer, or your Outlook started crashing, right? Now, imagine in the office, hundred of people face this problem every single day. What they need to do? Who did they call for help? That's where your IT support comes into the play. So the IT support engineers work on these kind of problems each and every day and they resolve lots of issues, right? So you have any issue with your computer, your network, you have an issue with your application, you have an issue with your printer and scanner, then you have to reach out to IT support. Each and every company in this world needs an IT support engineers. Now the question is why? Each and every company will definitely use a hundred or thousands of computers and they need an engineer when there is a problem. They need to resolve that. So no matter it's a IT company, it's a finance or it's a manufacturing company, it's a chemical company, each and every company needs an IT support engineers. Now, let me show you what kind of words or the team you often hear, but you don't know what is the meaning of that. So, now in a very big picture, when you hear a word IT support, right? So, IT support actually refers to an overall function of helping people, like I said, right? No matter what kind of issue they are facing, you step in and you help them. They said, I'm not able to log in into my computer. My Outlook is crashing. My account is locked. I need to help reset the password. Right? So consider yourself as a technical doctor of the company whenever something breaks, anything stops working, or anything needs to be set up, just like a computer or printer, anything needs to be connected, then you step in and you help them. If I just take a real world example, if you join a company on day one, then you receive a laptop. Now, for example, your laptop is not connecting to Wi Fi, then what are you going to do? You definitely reach out to IT support engineer. They will troubleshoot your issue, they will fix the settings, and you are up and running. That's the IT support in action. So, IT support engineers are actually playing a very important role in each and every company to make the jobs better. Now, IT support can be internal for employees or it can be external for customers. They are using any kind of company software or application or product. Definitely, IT support engineers are going to help all the internal and external employees who works with your company. Now you will hear a word, what is IT help desk? Now, quite similar, in each and every company, help desk is a first point of contact for users whenever they are facing any kind of issues. When user logs a complaint, logs a ticket, and they report a problem, help desk team basically step in and they will handle your basic issues. Either you are calling help desk or you have raised a ticket, they will help you further to resolve your problem. There are some common problems are dealt by help desk team, just like a password reset, your account got locked, some troubleshooting, maybe the login issue, that means login issue on the computer, or you are not able to print anything, that means your printer is not working, basic software installation, let's say, is Office or any kind of SAP application, or you have VLC or anything, whatever is approved by your company, definitely they are going to help you with that. Lots of common problems a user face each and every day. Their account got locked. They are using the correct password, but they are not able to log in. The help desk will come and they will reset your password, right? Now, if I just take an example, if a user not able to log into Outlook, they will raise a ticket with help desk and the team will guide them through the password reset or unlocking the account, whatever the problem is. So in short, the help desk, they are the basic issue resolver, fast and first level help. Now you will hear the service desk, the IT service desk team, right? Now, how the IT service desk is different than help desk, right? So they basically follow the ITIL process, right? Now, what do I mean by that? Whenever you raise any kind of tickets to fix your problem, you will see certain different thing: service request, incident, or change an asset. Now, for example, there is an application wherein you need access. You need permission on that. That's a request, right? Where you need anything related to access, that's the service request. How does this differentiate, right? So, for example, if you are using the ServiceNow ticketing tool, so each and every company will have one tool wherein you raise a ticket and the service desk team actually looks into those tickets. So when the request is raised, that will start with REQ. So for example, REQ 56342. This is an example of request, right? When you need an access to something, when you need a permission on something, or anything, let's say you just wanted to install Office, that's a request. You wanted to install any kind of software, that's a request. Incident, right? When anything is broken, right? There is any problem. Outlook is not opening at all. It was working before, right? Now this is not working now, right? Now account got locked. This is a problem, right? So you will raise an incident. How the incident will look like? It will start with INC. So let's say this is your INC. Change request. When you have to take an action on something, let's say you have to take an action on server, right? There is one server when you have to install certain patch update. You remember that on a quite frequent basis you get an update on your mobile phone and you go ahead and install those updates and patches. So this is simple. Either you can call it as updates or patches, right? Now you cannot go ahead and install those patches directly. You need to raise a change request. So that change request will look like something this: CHG, right? So quite frequently you will see these kind of tickets. This is a request, REQ, INC. This is an incident, and then you will see this. This is called as change request. Okay. Now, it acts like a central hub that connects user, IT teams, and even business processes. So let's take an example. If an employee they need a new laptop, there is a service request. Maybe there is a network outage that becomes a major incident because something is broken, right? So service desk basically follow and organize the process driven way to using a tool just like a ServiceNow or Jira or Fresh Service or anything. So while the help desk resolve the issues quickly, service desk manages the entire life cycle of IT support, including escalations, change management, and SLA tracking. What is SLA? Service level agreement, right? Every company will have a defined process. You received a ticket, right? You have to reach out to the user within 1 hour of time. This issue should be resolved within 8 hours, right? So whenever the timeline has been defined, that we call it as a SLA, that is your service level agreement. So this is the IT service desk. Now, what is technical support? Right? The technical supports are usually more specialized than the help desk, IT support engineer, or the service desk. Right? While the help desk and the service desk focuses on user facing problem and end user, one single user or two, three users are facing that kind of problem. Right? Those issues are handled by help desk and service desk. Now, the technical support team, they will handle more complex issues or the backend kind of issues. This may include any kind of server issue in your company. Definitely, you will have lots of servers, right? If you're wondering what kind of server, then if I just give you an example, you receive outlook.com or gmail.com to send you receive email. How does that email flows? When you compose your email and you hit send button, definitely that email goes to one of the server on the Gmail, right? So likewise, company has a lots of server which help you to create your email address and password. How do you authenticate yourself every day on your computer? A server which help you to store your data centrally, right? Network troubleshooting done by IT support team, or you will have a M365 team. They will be handling your email services like sending and receiving email, right? IT engineer will help on that, right? Any kind of cloud infrastructure problem, it can be Azure, it can be AWS, it can be Google Cloud, right? Any kind of application or database error, you are using SQL database, you are using SAP application, you are using Boomi application, it can be anything. A hundred or thousands of applications are available. So let's say a user is not able to send email across the company, right? So definitely whenever you raise a ticket, that ticket goes to help desk first, and if they are not able to fix that, they escalate it to technical support team, who changes in the backend, maybe the email server or the DNS or the records, anything is misconfigured, or maybe your ID was blocked, or there was anything wrong with your email address. Then, based on the issue, it will be routed to appropriate group by the help desk team, and you are going to fix this problem. So, technical support, it may be level 2 or it may be level 3. This is an overview of technical support. Now, how all they work together? So, whatever we saw so far, IT support, IT help desk, service desk, and the technical support, how they are actually going to work together. Now, when a user face any kind of problem, so like I mentioned, each and every issue as a first level of contact is our help desk. So user will definitely reach out here. Now, if it's a basic issue, the help desk will resolve it. Now, if this is a complex problem, they are going to escalate it to either service desk L2 or technical support L3 based on the problem, based on the issue what they were facing. Now, behind the scene, technical team, cloud team, cybersecurity may be involved, right? When the ticket was escalated to service desk L2 or level 3, they collaborate with multiple team to resolve that problem. Now, goal for all team is to solve the user problem quickly and keep business running smoothly, right? So that means work together to fix the problem as soon as possible to avoid any kind of business impact, right? Your email flow is down, users are not able to send and receive email, that means there is a business loss, right? So our goal is to avoid any kind of business impact. Now, if I just do a quick recap, IT support overall function of helping user with technical things. Help desk is going to be the first level of contact to resolve any kind of problem. Service desk, broader process driven support, including incidents, request or SLS, and the technical team, deep dive. It can be L2 or L3. So this is the way how they work together to solve these kind of problems. So in this video, I have tried to explain you what is IT support, what is IT service desk, what is IT help desk, and what is technical support, and how are they going to work together to resolve any kind of problem. Right now, once again, let me mention that even if you are a fresher, you are still graduating from college, you do not need any kind of coding knowledge or anything. I'm saying you are a fresher, you are just going to start your career into IT, or you are a fresher, you are trying to switch your job from non technical to the IT field. You are here at the right place. You can definitely do that. Now, let me mention one more thing. Um, this is not just a fixing computers, right? IT support is not just fixing computer. You are actually helping people to stay productive, keeping business smooth, running and functioning correctly, and sometime even saving the day, right? So, in the upcoming videos, we will dive deeper into what exactly you do on calls, how to talk to user, how to handle real IT issues step by step. In each and every video, we are going to start with when, how, and you know. So, let's say there is one issue, right? Or there is one topic. We are going to explain you theoretically what exactly it is, right? Then when you will actually apply those things and how actually you will do it. So this course is completely designed in such a way wherein you will learn each and everything with the live and real practical example. I'm going to show you each and everything in the lab, how you are going to reset the password, how you will create an account, how you will unlock an account, how are you going to create a user in Office 365, how you will assign a license. Each and everything I will show you in the live demo. So thank you so much once again for joining this IT support course, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.